Fidelity Investment Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fidelity is widely known for low-cost investing, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's only for beginners. The surprising truth is that Fidelity offers advanced trading tools, retirement accounts, managed portfolios, and access to thousands of mutual funds and ETFs. Stock and ETF trades are online and options trades are $65 per contract. Fidelity also offers no transaction fee mutual funds, which is a huge perk for long-term investors. For active traders, the Active Trader Pro platform provides streaming quotes, customizable dashboards, and advanced charting. Margin rates start around 9,825% for balances under zero, decreasing as account size grows. For example, an investor can set up a retirement-focused account with automated contributions, while also using Active Trader Pro for short-term market strategies. Fidelity also provides planning tools, research reports, and access to financial advisors, making it suitable for both self-directed and guided investing. In conclusion, Fidelity provides exceptional value across the investing spectrum. Whether you're starting with a small portfolio or managing large assets, its combination of zero trading fees, no transaction fee funds, and advanced tools ensures you get professional-grade investing capabilities without excessive costs.